Welcome to our guide on the best cameras for nature photography in 2024. Nature photography demands high-quality equipment that excels in various conditions, from capturing intricate wildlife to vast landscapes. Whether you're a seasoned pro or an enthusiastic beginner, the right camera can elevate your nature shots to the next level. Today, we'll review 5 outstanding models: the Sony Alpha 7 IV, Canon EOS R7, Nikon Z9, Fujifilm X-T4, and Panasonic Lumix S5 II. Let's explore how each of these cameras can enhance your nature photography. Kicking off our list at number 1, Sony Alpha 7 IV. The Sony Alpha 7 IV is a full-frame mirrorless camera designed for photographers who seek versatility and high performance. It's ideal for capturing diverse nature scenes, from detailed wildlife portraits to expansive landscapes. Key features: the Alpha 7 IV features a 33-megapixel XMR CMOS sensor and a Bionz XR processor, providing excellent image quality and fast performance. Its 5.5-stop in-body image stabilization ensures sharp images even in low light. The camera includes real-time IAF and animal IAF, making it perfect for wildlife photography. Its 3.68 million OLED viewfinder and tilting touchscreen enhance composition flexibility. Benefits and usage: for nature photographers, the Alpha 7 IV's high-resolution sensor and advanced autofocus system capture stunningly detailed images, perfect for both wildlife and landscapes. The in-body stabilization allows for sharp shots even when shooting handheld, while the camera's fast processing speeds support dynamic and fast-moving subjects. Its versatile shooting options cater to various nature scenarios, enhancing creative possibilities. Usability: the Alpha 7 IV's intuitive controls and customizable interface make it accessible for photographers of all levels. Its real-time IAF and animal IAF provide precise focusing, ensuring clear and focused images of both animals and humans. The camera's compact design and ergonomic grip enhance usability, making it suitable for extended outdoor sessions. Durability: with a robust magnesium alloy body and extensive weather sealing, the Alpha 7 IV is built to withstand challenging environmental conditions. Its durable construction ensures reliability and consistent performance, making it a dependable choice for nature photographers in diverse terrains and climates. In the second spot, we have Canon EOS R7. The Canon EOS R7 is an APS-C mirrorless camera that combines advanced features with a compact design, making it an excellent option for nature photographers seeking high-quality images and versatility. Key features: the EOS R7 features a 32.5-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and a Digic X processor, delivering high-resolution images and fast performance. It supports up to 15 frames per second continuous shooting with mechanical shutter and 30 frames per second with electronic shutter. The camera includes dual-pixel CMOS AF2 and a 2.36 million OLED viewfinder, providing accurate focusing and a clear view of your scene. Its 5-axis in-body image stabilization enhances image sharpness. Benefits and usage: the EOS R7's high-resolution sensor and advanced autofocus system make it ideal for capturing detailed and dynamic nature scenes. Its fast continuous shooting and versatile shooting modes support creative content creation, allowing photographers to capture both stills and motion effectively. The camera's compact size and extensive features provide flexibility for various nature scenarios. Usability: with its user-friendly interface and ergonomic design, the EOS R7 ensures easy operation and quick access to key settings, making it suitable for both novice and experienced photographers. Its dual-pixel CMOS AF2 and electronic viewfinder offer precise focusing and a clear view, enhancing the shooting experience and supporting effective compositions. Durability: constructed with a durable magnesium alloy body and extensive weather sealing, the EOS R7 is designed to withstand harsh environmental conditions, ensuring consistent performance and reliability for nature photographers in various terrains and climates. Coming in at number 3 is the Nikon Z9. The Nikon Z9 is a flagship mirrorless camera designed for professional photographers, offering exceptional performance and image quality, making it an ideal tool for capturing stunning nature scenes with precision and detail. Key features: The Z9 features a 45.7-megapixel stacked CMOS sensor and an X7 processor, delivering high-resolution images and fast processing speeds. It supports 20 frames per second continuous shooting with full AF/AE and offers 8K video recording capabilities. The camera includes a 493-point hybrid autofocus system and a 120 frames per second electronic viewfinder, providing accurate focusing and a clear view of your scene. Its in-body image stabilization system reduces camera shake. Benefits and usage. The Z9's high-resolution sensor and advanced autofocus system make it perfect for capturing detailed and dynamic nature scenes. Its fast continuous shooting and 8K video capabilities offer versatility in capturing both stills and motion, supporting creative content creation. The camera's wide dynamic range and low-light performance excel in various lighting conditions, providing flexibility for different nature scenarios. Usability. With its intuitive controls and customizable interface, the Z9 ensures easy operation and quick access to key settings, making it suitable for both novice and experienced photographers. Its advanced autofocus system and electronic viewfinder offer precise focusing and a clear view, enhancing the shooting experience and supporting effective compositions. Durability. Built with a rugged magnesium alloy body and extensive weather sealing, the Z9 is designed to withstand harsh environmental conditions, ensuring consistent performance and reliability for nature photographers in diverse terrains and climates. Taking our fourth spot is Fujifilm X-T4. The Fujifilm X-T4 is an APS-C mirrorless camera that offers a perfect blend of performance and portability, making it an excellent choice for nature photographers who seek high-quality images and versatility in a compact form. Key features. The X-T4 features a 26.1-megapixel X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor and an X processor 4, delivering exceptional image quality and performance. It supports up to 15 frames per second continuous shooting with mechanical shutter and 20 frames per second with electronic shutter. The camera includes a 425-point hybrid autofocus system and a 3.69 million OLED viewfinder, providing accurate focusing and a clear view of your scene. Its in-body image stabilization enhances image sharpness. Benefits and usage. The X-T4's high-resolution sensor and advanced autofocus system make it ideal for capturing detailed and dynamic nature scenes. Its fast continuous shooting and versatile shooting modes support creative content creation, allowing photographers to capture both stills and motion effectively. The camera's compact size and extensive features provide flexibility for various nature scenarios. Usability. With its user-friendly interface and classic design, the X-T4 ensures easy operation and quick access to key settings, making it suitable for both novice and experienced photographers. Its hybrid autofocus system and electronic viewfinder offer precise focusing and a clear view, enhancing the shooting experience and supporting effective compositions. Durability. Constructed with a durable magnesium alloy body and extensive weather sealing, the X-T4 is designed to withstand challenging environmental conditions, ensuring consistent performance and reliability for nature photographers in various terrains and climates. And finally, at number 5, we have Panasonic Lumix S5 II. The Panasonic Lumix S5 II is a versatile full-frame mirrorless camera that combines advanced features with a compact design, making it a great choice for nature photographers seeking high-quality images and portability. Key features. The S5 II features a 24.2-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor and a Venus engine processor, delivering excellent image quality and performance. It supports 6.5-stop dual image stabilization, reducing camera shake for sharp handheld shots. The camera offers 4K 60p video recording and a 96MP high-resolution mode, enhancing versatility in content creation. It includes a 2.36 million OLED viewfinder and a free-angle touchscreen, providing flexibility in composition and shooting angles. Benefits and usage. The S5 II's full-frame sensor and dual image stabilization system make it ideal for capturing detailed and sharp nature images, even in low-light conditions. Its 96MP high-resolution mode offers enhanced detail for large prints or digital displays, supporting creative and high-quality content creation. The camera's compact size and advanced features provide flexibility for both stills and video, making it suitable for dynamic and diverse nature scenarios. Usability. With its intuitive interface and ergonomic design, the S5 II ensures easy operation and quick access to key settings, making it user-friendly for both beginners and professionals. Its free-angle touchscreen and electronic viewfinder offer versatility in composition and framing, enhancing the shooting experience and supporting creative compositions. Durability. Constructed with a durable magnesium alloy body and extensive weather sealing, the S5 II is designed to withstand challenging environmental conditions, ensuring consistent performance and reliability for nature photographers in various terrains and climates. And there you have it, our review of the best cameras for nature photography in 2024. From the versatile Sony Alpha 7 IV to the powerful Nikon Z9, these cameras offer unique features to help you capture stunning nature shots with ease and precision. Whether you're exploring new landscapes or capturing wildlife in motion, these cameras provide the tools you need for breathtaking results. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and photography tips. Thanks for watching, and happy shooting!